Have you ever wondered where rain comes from and where all the water on Earth goes? Let's discover the amazing water cycle. Water is air around us. It fills oceans, rivers, lakes, and even exists as ice and invisible water vapor in the air. The water cycle begins. The sun heats water on Earth. The heat gives water molecules enough energy to rise into the atmosphere. This process is called evaporation. Liquid water changes into water vapor and rises into the air. Plants also release water vapor from their leaves. This process is called transpiration, and it adds even more water vapor to the atmosphere. As water vapor rises higher into the atmosphere, the surrounding air becomes cooler. The water vapor begins to change again. This cooling process is called condensation. Water vapor changes into tiny liquid droplets, and these droplets form clouds. Inside the clouds, countless tiny droplets come together. As more water collects, the clouds become larger and heavier. When the droplets become too heavy to remain in the cloud, they fall back to Earth. This is called precipitation. Precipitation can fall as rain, snow, sleet, or hail, depending on the temperature of the atmosphere. Once precipitation reaches the ground, the water can travel in many different directions. Some water flows across the land and collects in streams, rivers, lakes, and eventually the ocean. Some water soaks into the ground. It moves through the soil and rocks and can become underground water called groundwater. Groundwater can slowly travel underground and return to the surface through springs, streams, and rivers. Eventually, much of the water flows back into the ocean. But the journey is not finished yet. The sun heats the water again, evaporation begins, clouds form, rain falls, and the cycle continues over and over. The water cycle is essential for life. It provides fresh water for people, animals, plants, rivers, and ecosystems all around our planet. So remember, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, collection, and runoff. Together, they make the amazing water cycle that keeps Earth alive.